In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render your composite using a write node. We're taking your finished comp and getting it out to a file you can review, share, or deliver. The write node is the tool that does exactly that. Think of it as the final outlet at the end of your node tree. Everything you've built flows into it, and it turns your work into an actual file on disk. First, press W to add a write node. You'll see it appear in your node graph, ready to be connected. If you don't see it right away, make sure your viewer isn't selected so the new node doesn't attach somewhere unexpected. The key is simply that you've created a write node in the graph. Next, connect the write node to the last node in your comp. This should be the node that represents the final look of your shot after all your grades, merges, and effects. Drag a connection from that final node's output into the write node's input. If you accidentally connect it in the middle of the chain, you'll only render part of your setup. A quick way to verify is to send the write node to the viewer. If it matches your intended final image, you're connected correctly. Open the write node's properties, click the folder icon to choose where to save the file, pick a location you'll remember, and give the file a clear descriptive name so it's easy to track later. Keeping your renders organized by shot and version can save a lot of time down the line. Also, make sure the destination drive has enough free space, especially for high resolution or high bit depth outputs. Now choose a file format. Select from options like .xr, .jpg, or .mov. EXR is ideal for high quality, high dynamic range image sequences and is common in professional pipelines. JPG is a lightweight option for quick previews where file size matters more than flexibility. MOV will write a single movie file, which is convenient for client reviews. Pick the format that suits your needs and the expectations of whoever will receive the render. When everything looks good, go to the top menu and click Render, then Render again, and hit OK. The software will process each frame and write it to disk. Keep an eye on the progress indicator and avoid interrupting the process. When it finishes, navigate to your chosen folder and confirm the files are there and play back as